Hello all, this is Pavithra. I posted this question in Instagram, right? I have posted with the traditional approach, but here I'm going with the shortcut trick. Now, what is the shortcut trick here is 10 seconds are enough for this question, for sure. 10 seconds are enough for this question. Now, here, what is the question he is asking? Find B's age 3 years ago. 3 years ago, B's age he is asking. Correct. All the options are related to 3 years ago B's age. Now, if I'm going with option A, that is 13 years. Now, 3 years ago, B's age is 13. Now, what about present age? 3 years hence, that will become present. That is 16 years. Correct. Now, here, 10 years. After 10 years, the ratio is given. After 10 years, ratio of A, B, C is 11, 13, and 15. This is the present age of B. That is 16 years. Now, what about after 10 years? Yes, 26. After 10 years, 26. Now, must be the multiple of 13. Correct. Yes, 13 into 2, it is giving the result as 26. Can I fix my answer as option A? No need to calculate entirely. Correct. Now, similarly, if I am going with option B, that is 15 years. 3 years ago, B's age is 15. Now, what about 3 years hence? Means current age, that is 18. Now, what about 10? After 10 years, it will become 28. Now, 13 in 13 table, 28 will come. No, I can eliminate option B. Now, what about option C? 16. 16 years is the 3 years ago. Now, present age is 19. After 10 years, 29. And ratio must be 30. Ratio must be, means this number must be divisible by 13. But this number is not divisible by 13. I can eliminate option C. Similarly, what is option D? 19 years. After 3 present age plus 3 present age is 20, 22. 22. Now what about after 10 years? That is 32. 32 will come in 3 table. No. I can eliminate option D. Now similarly, option E, that is 8 years. Now present age, B's age 3 years ago is 8. Now what about 3 years hence? 8 plus 3, 11. Now what is the question he is asking after 10 years? After 10 years, 21. Now age of B must be multiple of 13. This is not multiple of 13. I can eliminate option E. Correct. Answer is option A. You can go with this method. Ratio is somewhat very simple. Thank you. I hope it will be helpful for you.